Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can comment in Google Docs. To start, select any document that you want. Now after that, just tap on the image. After tapping on the image, you can see these icons. Now this icon right here, this is the icon for comment. Just tap on that to add the comment. And then this is where you can add your comment. After that, just tap on comment. And then you can see your comment right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.